Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple beef and broccoli stir fry. First, chop up your garlic, then add it on a heated pan with some oil. Next, slice your beef into thin stripes. Add it to the pan. Don't forget to put salt and pepper. While the beef is cooking, cut your broccoli into small florets. Add the broccoli to the pan, season again with a little salt and pepper, and stir fry everything together. Add a splash of water. Now, add a generous amount of oyster sauce. I like this brand, but take the one you find. And when the water boils, cover for around 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you on the next video. Bye!